under root. And just we have to substitute this. X will be ux is u, which is given, and time is, that is 2h upon z. The time taken to come to the ground will be same for the horizontal velocity, because till it reaches to the ground, it has to move to this point. Okay, in this way we got the value of x, but here we have to find d. See, from the diagram, d can be written as h square plus x square under root. Now h is given, but x is not given. We have calculated x in terms of h, and that is 2h upon z under root. This will be the distance d in terms of given physical quantities. U is also here, u square. I hope this part of the question is clear. क्या clear नहीं है? Good.
Clear, sir.
Just I'm giving you 10 seconds, please copy who has not copied. These all questions are taken from S.C. Brahma book. Now the next. Just I'm making it faster. See, this is the question. A particle is projected horizontally with the
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
speed u is theta with the horizontal. Yes, बेटे.
सर आपकी आवाज लैग हो रही थी.
You want to say anything? How far from the point of projection will the particle strikes the plane? See, just first of all, you must have to draw the diagram to see the situations.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
There is a plane, inclined plane. Anyone can tell me? क्या मेरी
सर आपकी आवाज लैग हो रही है बहुत ज्यादा.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आवाज आ रही है?
Clear, sir. Your voice is pure.
Okay. This is a plane, and a person is standing here at the top of this plane and throw an object horizontally. That is perfectly horizontal. Motion means initially
सर आपकी आवाज लैग हो रही है बहुत ज्यादा.
it is.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
बेटे आवाज तो कुछ देखो बेटा, मेरे साइड से तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
सर आपकी आवाज बहुत ज्यादा लैग हो रही है. मुझे क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
Its initial velocity is u, and this angle is given. This angle is theta. Okay. I hope it is clear. Is the situation clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, what should be the path? This will be the path. Means object has to fall here at this point. Let's say you have taken it is at 0, 0. Then it has some value of x and y. And this x and y can be represented here in this way. Suppose this is the point of impact, then this will be, this y length is x and this is y. अब बताइए डायग्राम, and this will be theta. Is the diagram clear, bete?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now see, just we have to horizontal.
So your voice is not clear.
A horizontal velocity, that is u x is equal to u, and acceleration in x direction is 0, and displacement here we have taken, that is sx is x. Similarly, for the vertical, uy is 0, ay is z, and sy is y. Tell me whether any problem is there.
No, sir.
I'm just formulating the relation. Simply s equal to ut plus half at square. Sx is equal to, here is only ux into t, and next term becomes 0 because acceleration is 0. Then it is ut. This is the first relation. And here we can use Sx. I'm not writing the formula, simply putting the values y equal to ut plus half at square, u is 0. So first term becomes 0, and we have to write half at square, and a is z and t square. This is the second relation. Now, from the diagram, you can observe tan theta is equal to y upon x. And tan theta can be written as, just I'm going to put the values of y and x, what we have calculated. That is 1 by 2 zt square divided by ut. Now 1t will cancel out. You will get zt upon 2u is equal to tan theta. Now t can be written as 2u tan theta upon z. Is it clear, bete? Tell me, bete, whether it is clear or not.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, see what to do. Here we have calculated x here, but time is not known. Now we have calculated time. So we must have to find x in terms of this values, and it will be, if we put the value of t here, यहाँ पे मैं t का value put कर रहा हूँ, we will get 2u square tan theta upon z. देखिएगा, am I right today? Am I right? Similarly, y is equal to half zt square, and here if we put the value, it becomes 4u square tan square theta upon z square. If we further solve it, 2u square, 2 and 4 will cancel out, means 2 remains here. 2u square tan square theta upon z. It is your y. And what we have to find? This distance. ये distance हमें find करनी है. So this distance can be written as x square plus y square under root. I'm just putting 2 here, and in last we will make the root. Now x square, what is x square? See, x square is 4u to the power 4 tan square theta upon z square, plus what is y square? It will be 4 u to the power 4 10 to the power 4 theta upon z square. If we take the common, we can take 4 u to the power 4. Sorry, yes, 4 to the power u to the power 4 can be taken as common, and 10 square also. 10 square can also be taken common, and g square. Remaining part is 1 plus 10 square theta. Question get lengthier, but it's easy, not difficult. Now see, this can be written as 4 u to the power 4 10 square theta upon z square, and 1 plus 10 theta, as you know, it is sec square theta. Now if we want to find d, we must have to make the roots. Then d will be 2u square tan theta into sec theta upon z. Ultimately, it is your answer. Please copy it. Is it clear, बेटे? अजय ने पूछा था.
सर एक बार रिपीट करना.
पूरे क्वेश्चन को कहाँ नहीं समझ में आया बेटा, वो बोलो. क्वेश्चन जैसे मैं ABCD मार्क कर देता हूँ, आप बता देना कि कौन.
tan theta is equal to y by x तक आ गया, आगे बताना.
tan theta equal to y by x. हाँ, तो मैंने यहाँ y का वैल्यू पुट किया बेटे. ये y का वैल्यू है, यहाँ पे देख रहे हो.
यस सर.
और ये x का वैल्यू है, तो ये आ जाएगा. क्लियर. फिर मैंने t निकाल लिया यहां से. इज इट क्लियर बेटे?
यस सर.
गुड. अब since we have x and y in terms of time is not given in your question. So if you want to find x and y, you have to substitute t in terms of given factors. हमने t निकाल लिया है यहाँ पे 2u tan theta upon z. Now we have to substitute t here in this term. x equal to ut जो लिखा हुआ है आपका, ये इस टर्म में मैं t का वैल्यू पुट कर रहा हूं. And as we put the value of t here, it will be 2u square. Here u into t, 2u square tan theta upon z. ये आ जाएगा. आएगा या नहीं? बोलिए.
यस सर.
Similarly, if we put the value of t in the expression of y, we will get this. And this can be reduced in this term. So in this way, we have got x and y. This is x and this is y. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, we don't have to find x and y. We have to find d. So d is equal to, this is a right angle triangle. D is hypotenuse and y is perpendicular, x is base. So d square can be written as x square plus y square. Just I have written here. Now, we have to put the value of x. See, x is this. You have to make the square of this. इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे 4u to the power 4 tan square theta upon g square. We have written here. Okay, बेटा?
Okay, sir.
And similarly for y square, this is 4u to the power 4, 10 to the power 4 theta by g square.